Radhika Merchant looked absolutely elegant and beautiful in her bridal look. I'm going to show you how to create this eye look but in another way, where you can wear it for an everyday eyeshadow look. This is going to be an all matte eyeshadow look, but you can obviously add some shimmer as you like. So if you're ready, let's get started. The first step in every eyeshadow eye look is going to be priming your eyelids. I'm using the NARS Soft Matte Concealer in the shade Medium Dark 1 and going in with the Anisa Beauty Eye Prime Brush, we're going to prime the eyelids. Make sure you're dabbing the cream product in for maximum coverage. We're going to use the Makeup by Mario Ethereal Eyeshadow palette, and for this shade we're going to go in with EE3. For brushes, we're going to use the A11 brush from the Morphe & Ariel collection, and we're going to sweep the eyeshadow all over the lid. Make sure you're applying this at the outer corner and also through the socket. Now we're going to deepen up the eyeshadow, so we're going with the shade EE4 and using the Morphe & Ariel brush. This is a denser brush, so it's going to add a bit more pigment onto the eyelid. And now we're going to tap this on the outer corner of the eye. Make sure it's in a diagonal line and apply it a bit into the socket as well. Going in with the A11 brush from the same collection, we're going to buff the colors together. Take your time because it needs to be seamless. Now we're going to tap into the shade EE4 to deepen out the outer V, and I'm changing my brush to Refer number 14. This is a dome-like one. It doesn't apply too much product, but it's also not too fluffy. It's great for adding pigment to the outer corner of the eye. Apply this in a diagonal line again. Changing brushes, we're going to go in back with the A11 brush and we're going to buff out all those colors together. I like to blend it inwards towards the inner corner. Back in with the Refer brush. We're going to apply the same color on the lower lash line just to the outer quarter of the eye. Going in with the shade EE3, we're going to just tap the product on the eyelid. Just think of applying this on the middle portion of the eyelid. And now back in with the Refer 14 brush, which is our dome shaped brush, we're going to blend the colors together. Don't take the deep color too much into the middle. Going in with the shade EE1, we're going to tap this on the inner corner of the eyelid. Make sure you're tapping and not blending. This will ensure that you get maximum pigment. Your eye should look like this now. And finally, going in back with the EE3 shade, we're going to apply that all over the lower lash line. Make sure the blend is nice and seamless. To make this eye look more wearable, I'm going in with the Colourpop and Raw Beauty Christie's eyeliner. This is a brown eyeliner instead of a black one. This makes it more wearable. Then we're going to curl the lashes with My Lily Lash Curler. Make sure you're taking time with this step. We don't want to pull out any lashes. And for mascara, I'm going in with the new Model Rock Cosmetics Tube Tech Lengthening Mascara. It's a tubing mascara. Wiggle the wand and apply it to each lash. And this is the final look. This is how I have transformed Radhika Merchant's wedding makeup into an everyday eyeshadow look. And as usual, if you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you again in my next video. I have also linked some videos on the end screen here for you to continue watching. I'll see you there. Have a good day. Bye.